I'm Mike Petersen. I'm the owner here at Critical Laser. I've been working here since I was 12 years old. It was an awesome opportunity to work close every day with my dad. I learned how to fabricate metal. I learned how to work on things. Being a part of a family business was important for us to stay here local in a small town, provide small town jobs. And we produce metal cut and formed parts for big OEM manufacturers and small garage tinkerers. So anybody from Lifetime products to the construction industry, to the medical industry, to arts and crafts. When the Utah State Capitol was renovated, we cut all of the new air vent covers and air returns to be period specific. If there's a sign somewhere in the state, odds are we've manufactured it for one of those sign companies. Critical Lasers won 3 Best of State awards over the years. We're the oldest laser shop in the state of Utah. Probably one of the oldest laser shops in the country. Our ability to reach back into our experience and understand how to process certain materials, how to get the right cut on materials, how to process them correctly so that they turn out the way the customer wants, and the post processes such as bending, tapping, powder coating. Our experience has allowed us to understand how to get the customer what they need out of the machinery that we're running. You know, we've been in business for 32 years, so we've banked with big national banks, we've banked with other local banks. Central Bank has been unique in the aspect that we really feel connected to them as a community partner. We like some of the things that Central Bank does in the community. We feel like those line up with things we're trying to do in the community. We really like the personal attention we get. I like knowing that when I call Central Bank, I'm talking to Melissa, or I'm talking to Jared, or I'm talking to Todd. They know me, we know them. So when we get into something that might be non-traditional in buying a big piece of equipment or a line of credit on a really big job, we have a personal relationship, and that personal relationship helps the bank understand who we are without having to go through a national underwriter somewhere in Virginia or California that doesn't know who we are and doesn't know our business. Having somebody who understands your business, what you're trying to accomplish in your business, how you want to grow. Central Bank has provided us with information, insight into how interest rates are changing. They provided insight into which loan products might be good for us, which checking accounts or money market accounts are good for a company of our size. If I was to recommend Central Bank to a friend of mine, I would say really it's about that personal connection.